around our equipment. Now, this is the first piece of equipment we're going to be looking at. The Tough Cut 24 inch, it looks like. This is a very old lawnmower. Pull string, self-propelled. Then we got a front loader for, whoa, I almost just fell. Rock sifter bucket for our Kubota backhoe. And then my trailer, a tiller. Then we got a planter here. These will come off, but it's hard to get them off. Then we got this, a hog hanger. Now we don't hang hogs on it, but okay. Wait, that's my plow. Then Dad's plow. Then we have this broken garbage setter. Doesn't really work. We're gonna try to fix it though with these tines and stuff. Oh. Then we got our finishing mower, a disc. Then we got our tiller. Gotta stay away from this plow. It will fall over if we get too close to it. And then we got that. But vehicle-wise, let's go on over here. We have my John Deere S110 riding lawnmower. Gonna block out the tag. That's the engine it's got on it. Fuel tank is in the back with its trailer. Just the thing. But we got our trailer. Now it's all wet because we just had a bad storm. But we got our 1999 Chevy. No, a 95 Chevy Suburban and a 99. I think this is 99 Ford Expedition. The Kubota backhoe that we just talked about in the last video. And then the bush hog on it with front end loader now. In this video, we'll actually get a closer look at the front end loader. We can squeeze by here. We have trimmers in that, but so we have the front end loader. Looks like he's putting that back up. Oh, there's one item I forgot to show you. We got the backhoe loader off of the tractor with all these and all the buttons. And these attach it with a large bucket and a thumb. Now, I don't know if you've watched the last video. I only have one hand, so I might need help from my helper that came with me. I'll pull this out and then you'll pull that. No, the bull bar. Pull the bull bar from the top.
You need to be more.
Pull it out.
Didn't say that.
Okay, we got that done. That's my dad's phone. If you haven't seen the last video, this is what the motor of it looks like. Actually, this will help us get some footage of what's back here. But yeah, there's this on it. This opens up, but it's just our tool toting truck. As you can see right there, through the window, there's tools. But now you can close the hood and everything. But oh, I didn't latch this up from the last video. which if you haven't seen it, I recommend lift up. I recommend you see it. We serviced the oil and everything, and that shouldn't be off, but yeah. This is the motor. It has the big, massive fan, and it has just a bunch of A members and stuff. You can do that now. Then it has this which is very greasy. And it's got this. It's a 2006 TC35V. That one's 2025 Kubota L2501. Then we got a little sprayer here, my motorcycle, and all kinds of other things. Now we have one last item, I believe, is back here. It might be back here, it might be out front. Okay, I think it's out front, so let's go ahead and walk out front to go see it. And this. Then we're going to go ahead and walk around front here, and you do know how to blur out a license plate, right?
Yeah.
Be sure to blur out our license plate.
Put a license plate there. Simple as that.
I'll just point at the ground. Then we got this push mower. Now let me go get back on the lawnmower and bring it back around, and then we'll end the video.
Then I can cut it later.
Oh no, the bumps must be messing up the footage. Well, that's fine if there's a few bumps. It's just this phone is heavy. But whoa! Oh, that's slippery. Oh, I almost just broke my neck. Oh, I can't even. Oh, crud. It just did it again. It locked, but it did it again. I'll have to carry this back around. Oh no. It's stuck. Brayden, open the hood. We gotta reinsert this. I can do it, but just I need you to hold this right here, that metal bar. Keep holding it, and there we go. That's embarrassing. Right in the middle of the video, I had problems with the lawnmower. Okay, now we can drive. Also, do you like my keychains? You can buy them at Amazon.com. Now, we're going to be driving down the road. My keychains are from Amazon and also from a Nissan dealer where we bought my sister's car. Now, I shouldn't be saying that on it.